Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project. Then we have to switch it to list view so we can see the tasks that are in this project. Then we can tap on the task, and here we have multiple options. In the top right corner we can tap on the OK sign, so it's going to be completed. We can tap on the like, so we can like this task. We can share it, or we can tap on the three dots to add some other things to the task, and we can write a comment referring to this. We can add some attachments, we can add subtasks, we can add a description, we can add a priority, and yeah, we can edit it here. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.